Good afternoon, Model Building World. It's Terry coming to you from Model Car Body Shop. Today I'm going to do a Pay It Forward giveaway. So I was fortunate enough to win the one that Chris did from House of Plastic. Everybody knows Chris out there. If not, you need to check out his channel. But I won the Pay It Forward model that he did over the weekend, I think it was. So he was doing the Pay It Forward in return from the one that he won that was done by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. So check Joe out also. And so like I said, I was the winner of that. So I'm going to do what they're doing and do the Pay It Forward. So I'm going to give this Mustang, 96 Mustang Hot Wheels Edition away, unopened, sealed, all the goodies. So yeah, I think it'd be a cool kit to get to somebody and see if we can move this along and just keep it rolling. So all I ask is, in order for you to be involved in this, would be to obviously to pay it forward. You know, if you don't have a stash or whatever and don't really want to do that, then just don't get in this and get in other ones. But that and have an active channel, be a content creator with an active channel, and be a subscriber of mine, which you can still subscribe and then get in. So it's not limiting anyone. Just jump on there and subscribe, and then in the comments, just put Pay It Forward in the comments, and that way, when I do this, I may just use that as in the algorithm to create your name in the hat, so to speak. So yeah, just be willing to pay it forward, have an active channel, and put Pay It Forward in the comments. You can leave just that in the comments, or anything you want in the comments. Just make sure you put Pay It Forward in the comments. And I'm going to do this drawing Sunday, so it doesn't give a lot of time. Today's Wednesday, so just take let everybody know. But I'll be mailing out this 96 Mustang is hopefully by Monday morning of next week. So one other thing I wanted to mention, and I keep forgetting, when I did my 100 subscriber giveaway, in the comments I asked everybody's thoughts on a scale of 1 to 5, what your partner or wife, what have you, husband, whatever, how they feel about your hobby. And overwhelmingly was very positive. There was a few that was very negative, and what I found kind of odd was I think there was only one that was a 3. The majority was either very low or very high. But through all the replies, I tallied it up and came up with a 4.1 on the average of that. So I just thought y'all would want to know what that turned out to be. So it's very good, and it's good to have support. And I know one person that said wife was very supportive of the hobby, but not so supportive of the purchase of the hobby. So that's kind of funny, but a little understanding also. So anyway, I don't want to keep y'all any longer. Just let everybody know, and get in on this drawing, and we'll get this thing done next Sunday. And good luck to everyone.